Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wondering what we're doing today? We are going to refinish a previously repaired hardwood floor at a basketball court. We're going to start by marking the work area. Since this is a repair, we're going to identify uneven surfaces between the repair and the existing floor. We're going to sand any uneven areas until they're even, keeping in mind that this is a basketball court, so any differences in height on the floor can cause a trip hazard. We're going to continue to sand using different sandpaper grit, starting with 36 and work our way to 120 grit. Notice we're using several sanders. Since this is a small repair, we did not want to use our heavy-duty equipment. It's very important to manage dust, so whatever means you have to keep the floor free of dust, use it. We vacuum, we're going to apply mineral spirit to remove any dust from the surface. Also going to mark the center line using a string and a pencil. I like to use the 3/4 inch frog tape to mark any surfaces that are contoured. It helps with the contour. If you haven't already done so, this is a good time to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. For this line, we're using a Rust-Oleum oil-based flat black paint, and we are going to apply the first coat perpendicular to the wood grain. After that first coat is applied, we're going to remove the tape, and I like to apply a little bit of hot air. Just blow it right on the paint to help it dry a little bit faster. After that first coat of paint is dried, we are going to apply the same steps and then put another coat, but this time we are going to go with the grain. In other words, we're going to brush the paint onto the wood, following the lines of the wood grain, the natural lines of the wood grain. Again, we're going to remove the masking. We're going to allow this second coat of paint to dry. And then we're going to mask off the entire area that we're working on so that we don't overpaint an area that hasn't been treated yet. We're going to use a oil-based applicator, and we're going to gently apply the paint so that we eliminate air bubbles out of the paint. Continue to work out the air bubbles and then allow the surface to dry for at least 24 hours. After that first coat of paint dries, we're going to apply light sanding to the surface. The idea here is to remove any bubbles from the previous coat and any dust. Also, we want to scuff the surface so that the second coat has a better adhesion to it. Again, we're using mineral spirit to clean out any dust from the surface, and this time we opted to apply the second coat of paint with a brush going in the direction of the wood grain. After we apply the second coat, we're going to let that dry for 24 hours, and then we can use our gem as normal. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. It'll really help us out. Thanks for watching.